Most people spend hours scrolling through junk, but you don't have to. Welcome to Frog Deal. We've already filtered out the noise to find the absolute standouts so you can save your time. I've linked everything in the description for you, but you'll want to stay focused because one specific item in this lineup is about to change how you look at your daily routine forever. This looks like a standard mirror, but it's actually a high-def screen that changes your entire driving perspective. You can zoom in 3 times to catch license plates your eyes would never see. But here's the best part. It adds CarPlay and voice control to any car, even if it's 20 years old. It records in 2.5K, acting as a smart upgrade and a digital eyewitness. While others squint at tiny dash cams, you get a futuristic view of the entire road. It's the kind of essential safety tool that makes every trip feel much more secure. Most scanners are painfully slow, but this one boots in seconds and actually lets you talk to your car. You don't just read codes, you can command parts like fuel injectors or windows to move right from the screen. Since it's wireless, you can test the engine from 30 feet away with 0 cables. It covers over 100,000 models with lifetime free updates, so you never pay a subscription fee. It's like having a professional mechanic's brain in your hand, making complex repairs feel simple. Nothing ruins a clean interior faster than tangled cables. But this clever hub makes that mess disappear instantly. It snaps perfectly into your console, featuring retractable wires that pull out for fast charging and vanish the moment you're done. You get a custom RGB glow that shifts the entire mood of your cabin, keeping everything organized and futuristic. It's the ultimate factory-style upgrade for a clutter-free drive. Most wireless chargers are slow and overheat your phone, but this one is built differently. It's a certified Qi 2 mount that doubles standard speeds, delivering 25 watts while you drive. But here's the clever part. It has a built-in cooling fan to protect your battery from heat. The magnets are incredibly strong, so your phone won't budge on bumpy roads. You can even detach the magnetic pad to use it at home or on your desk. It's a high-speed charging station that finally keeps your device cool and safe. Take a look at your rims. Those tiny scratches usually come from using the wrong tools. These ultra-soft synthetic brushes bend 360 degrees to reach deep into gaps without damaging the finish. They hold an insane amount of soap, making thick brake dust melt away instantly. You get specialized tools for every corner, ensuring a showroom shine without the risk. It's the ultimate shortcut to a professional detail. Installing a backup camera usually involves messy wires, but this system sets up in under 3 minutes without any drilling. It's entirely solar powered with a magnetic base, so you can swap it between vehicles instantly. You get a massive split-screen view in high definition, even at night. Since the signal reaches 500 feet without lag, it's the ultimate shortcut for anyone who hates complicated wiring. At first, this looks like a standard seat cover, but it actually has a reinforced hard bottom that supports up to 500 pounds. Unlike flimsy hammocks that sag, this creates a solid, level floor to keep your pet steady on bumpy roads. The 7-layer waterproof design blocks hair and scratches, while the mesh window helps reduce your dog's anxiety. It's a heavy-duty lounge that keeps your interior spotless, while your dog stays perfectly calm. Most phone mounts eventually fall off due to heat or bumps, but this one uses an active electric vacuum to lock itself in place. It constantly monitors pressure in real time and automatically resuctions if it detects even a slight loosening. It'll even give you a sound reminder to ensure your phone is always secure. With magnets strong enough to lift 8 devices, it's a high-tech solution for anyone tired of flimsy, unreliable holders. It's basically a professional-grade vacuum seal for your dashboard. Give your car a literal personality while blocking out every single drop of sunlight. This isn't just a funny design, it's a military-grade blackout umbrella that pops open in seconds to stop nearly 100% of UV rays. While standard shades let heat leak through the edges, this double-textured fabric keeps your interior freezing cold, even in peak summer. It's the easiest way to protect your leather and give your car a look that stands out in the parking lot. Wait until you see how this tiny device actually forces your AC to work twice as fast. It's a specialized vent booster that clips on to circulate freezing air through the cabin instantly. It runs silently, while the built-in rainbow LED mode completely changes your car's interior vibe at night. Since it's USB powered, it's perfectly safe to leave in a scorching hot car. It's the ultimate shortcut to staying ice cold. Stop fighting with tangled cables every time you get in your car. This tiny adapter is about the size of a fingernail, but it instantly turns your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a fully wireless system. Powered by Wi-Fi 6, it connects in under 8 seconds with zero lag or dropouts. It even remembers 2 different phones, letting you switch drivers with just one touch. It's the ultimate invisible upgrade for a cleaner dashboard. If you found something you need, all the product links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more underrated gadgets that actually make life easier. I'll see you in the next one.